Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with access and the right tools, that matters. First, confirm you have a double lock knob where both sides turn. Once done, use a Phillips #2 and a flat screwdriver to remove any visible screws on the faceplate. Keep parts in a tray so nothing vanishes. If screws are hidden, rotate the knob slightly until the spindle hole lines up. Then insert a 3/32 punch to depress the lock clip and release the knob assembly. You now focus on extracting the knob and mechanism. Firmly depress the retaining clip or spring with the punch while pulling the knob straight out toward you. Don't twist wildly. Once the knob slides off, make sure to remove the rose or trim by sliding it away. It often conceals 2 mounting screws. Next, unscrew the mounting screws that hold the latch to the door edge and the strike plate on the frame. This frees the entire lock cylinder and latch assembly for inspection or replacement. You finish by removing the latch and cylinder. Pull the latch assembly straight out of the door edge once screws are gone and slide the cylinder free from the face. If the cylinder is stuck, rotate it a fraction while pulling to free internal cam alignment. Don't force it and avoid drilling unless you plan to replace the cylinder. If things go wrong, check for a hidden set screw or debris, clear it, then reattempt removal. Finally, reassemble in reverse, snugging screws progressively for correct alignment.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.